Hey guys, I'm back, and today this is part 2 of the slime video. So yeah, I accidentally pressed it off on part 1. So if you haven't seen part 1, make sure you watch that video, because I actually I actually pressed that off by accident. So yeah, someone's just at the door, and so for your second video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications on any of my videos, and see you soon. So guys, we're starting the video now. So this is the next part of it, and yeah, like I said in the video. So let's start. So next thing you're gonna need, if it doesn't work, as I was explaining. So if it doesn't work like that, and it's real like hard like this, and if it's not that stretchy, then use a little bit of soap, like I did. And if it's real stretchy, but if you don't like it, there's going to be an extra ingredient after this. So yeah, so what you're going to do, like I asked in the first instructions, you're going to be like this, folding it into doing a ball first. I forgot. So and when you've done your ball, like I nearly did, then you're going to flatten it again for the instructions. Then you're going to do it with your thumb or whatever finger you can do it with, if you want. Do a hole, a small or big, I don't mind. If how big your slime is, then you want to put some soap in. And yeah, so I'm putting only 2 sprays of it. So you go 1, 2. You can put how much you want, but I would say just put 2 to be safe, or 1, 2 or 1. You can put 2 or 1 just to be safe. But then if it goes wrong, add this immediately. Add it immediately. Like immediately, not immediately. Like just mix it all in and see what happens. And if it's not turning out the way you wanted your slime to be, like say if you're hard, oh I smelled something. That's probably my chipper. And if your slime is really and it's gonna be like this. So if your slime is real sticky, add this immediately, because it can change. It won't change like the lightning, like lightning. I'll just look at some. So anyway, and if it goes all droopy like it did with that, just keep mixing, and by 5 minutes